Following the SEC's recent selection to enchantment a courtroom ruling that in large part favored Ripple, this ongoing warfare has stirred sizable interest in both the crypto and felony groups, raising questions on the SEC's motives and the wider implications for the future of cryptocurrency law. Ripple's confidence remains excessive, with their legal team preparing a sturdy defense for the appeal. Their approach centers on declaring the authentic ruling with the aid of Judge Annalisa Torres, which decided that Ripple's programmatic income and different distributions of XRP do now not constitute investment contracts beneath the Howey test. Moreover, Ripple highlights that the SEC did now not allege any fraud or become aware of investor harm, further weakening the case for labeling XRP sales as securities violations. The case's continuation has drawn grievance from both Ripple's executives and prison specialists who view the SEC's technique as faulty. The broader crypto industry stands to be afflicted by the extended uncertainty surrounding the regulatory panorama. The criminal back and forth distracts from innovation and places the US at a disadvantage in the international fintech race. Brad Garninghouse, Ripple's CEO, voices frustration, saying if the SEC had been performing inside the quality hobby of traders and markets, they might have ordinary the court's thorough and well-reasoned selection. Instead, they picked to double down on an unsuitable strategy. There's also a hypothesis that the SEC's continued pursuit of Ripple might also replicate a deeper timetable to clamp down at the crypto industry as a whole. According to many within the crypto community, the SEC's management below Gary Gensler has been extra targeted on enforcing current regulations than fostering an environment conducive to innovation. In fact, as one tweet via Jack the Ripper notes, there is growing political discourse around this, with former President Donald Trump claiming that if he wins the election, he'll halve Gensler and hire a brand new SEC chairman. If this were to appear, many speculate that the Ripple case could quit, however the outcome stays a long way from sure. The timeline for the appeal may want to stretch out drastically. Ripple's best of $125 million will likely remain on hold even as the enchantment progresses, but the process itself, briefing schedules, oral arguments, and court docket selection should drag on for over a year. This put-off only prolongs the uncertainty in the crypto enterprise at Massive. Alderotti and Garlinghouse have made it clean that Ripple isn't always just preventing for itself, but for the entire digital asset space. Should Ripple in the end succeed, it can set a powerful precedent that gives different crypto corporations a clear route ahead in navigating our securities legal guidelines. Conversely, or to the SEC be successful, it is able to embolden the regulator to pursue even stricter enforcement in opposition to other crypto belongings. Trust me, what is coming subsequent will seize everybody off Protect. If you think you have visible all of it, you're in for a mind-blowing marvel. You may not want to overlook this. So the XRP community is buzzing with exhilaration as predictions for the cryptocurrency's future fee maintain to stir the market. From analysts to influencers, the perception that XRP should experience a remarkable surge is gaining traction. Tweets like Jack the Ripper's name to movement depart alike in case you accept as true within $100 in keeping with XRP are fueling a wave of optimism. Others like Imonix cryptically warn XRP will blow your thoughts. Be prepared for the sudden, but the boldest takes are coming from market analysts and chart fanatics. Crypto bull has drawn parallels among XRP's contemporary movement and its historic 80,000% surge in 2017, encouraging buyers to disregard the information and observe the charts. Crypto Geek even stated a glitch that briefly shot XRP to a jaw-losing $42, $441 speculation. While it is clean that the community is alive with anticipation, how does this translate for the common investor? Let's take a better study what the destiny could maintain for those conserving 10,000 XRP. With XRP presently soaring around 50 cents, someone with 10,000 tokens might have an investment worth roughly $5.00000. But as bullish sentiment builds, specialists are projecting numerous capability fee points for XRP, every of which paints a wildly specific picture for these buyers. If XRP climbs to $2, a realistic close to time period aim consistent with marketplace analyst Greg, the ones equal 10,000 XRP could be really worth $20,000, almost tripling the preliminary funding. Greg's prediction is based totally on the formation of a so referred to as metallic foundation, which points to XRP's strong role inside the market regardless of recent setbacks. As market accumulation remains constant, specifically from wallets retaining between 10,000 and 25,000 XRP, there's reason to trust in a sturdy restoration. Should see even bigger gains. Mickey Bull, another market analyst, has pointed out historical data that suggests XRP should ruin past $4 for the duration of this bullish wave. This would push the fee of 10,000 XRP to $40,000, more than 5 instances the present-day investment. The charts do not lie, Mickey Bull says, and many are starting to concentrate. What if XRP shoots for the celebs? Well, a few analysts, like Crypto Bull Wu, propose a capacity rate of $6 primarily based on XRP's historical relationship with Bitcoin. Should this happen, the fee of 10,000 XRP would balloon to $60,000, 8 times what it's really worth nowadays. As the bullish predictions grow to be even greater formidable, analysts like Spectre and Armando Pantoja throw out numbers as high as $10 and $20, which might see 10,000 XRP growing to an outstanding $100,000 or $200,000 respectively. Then there are the dreamers, people who look at the market information and with unwavering self-assurance predict that XRP could someday reach $50,000 or even $100, 00000. Marnix, the sort of optimists, believes a $50 target is inside reach, which could make 10,000 XRP well worth a fab $500,000. And if the unthinkable occurs and XRP soars to $100,000, would be well worth $1 million. The stakes are high and the predictions are thrilling. Whether XRP hits $2 or $100, one component is obvious. This is a pivotal second in the cryptocurrency's records. Investors are looking intently, hopeful that their endurance and belief in XRP pays off in huge ways. Crazy proper, but it's best the top of the iceberg. Despite Ripple's ongoing prison battles with the SEC, their worldwide partnerships are quietly increasing backstage, and they may be no longer slowing down. With predominant gamers nevertheless backing Ripple, some specialists are predicting XRP may want to skyrocket to $100 or greater. You won't accept as true with what is going on next. It may be a recreation changer for everybody keeping XRP. Stay tuned, because that is just getting commenced. So the continuing saga among Ripple and the SEC has created a curler-coaster trip for XRP's rate, but the narrative extends some distance past just court battles. As we witness legal disputes clouding the destiny of this cryptocurrency, there's a silver lining and growing global adoption that hints at a brighter horizon. The potential for XRP to attain astronomical values, even $100 or greater, is becoming greater doable. One of the maximum promising traits is Bitwise Asset Management's current filing for an ETF that without delay invests in XRP. This move no longer best underscores the growing hobby from institutional investors, but additionally alerts a significant shift in how XRP is perceived, transferring from a doubtlessly volatile asset to a severe contender inside the funding landscape. This strategic move could pave the manner for more vast use cases for XRP, thereby amplifying its call for. Additionally, the BRICS international locations are rising as large gamers within the cryptocurrency space, especially regarding XRP. As those international locations keep to discover digital currencies and decorate their economic systems, XRP is turning into valuable to those traits. The capability adoption by way of those countries should catalyze a huge surge in XRP's demand, main to massive fee appreciation. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse formerly said that XRP is the heart of the brand new financial device, and this sentiment resonates with developing numbers of institutions and governments. But what precisely is their recreation plan for Ripple? The insights may just blow your thoughts, sir. The recent motion of 153 million XRP cash by means of whales has ignited hypothesis across the cryptocurrency landscape, particularly because the SEC has filed an attraction in opposition to the favorable ruling for Ripple. These significant transactions, tracked by means of whale alert, reflect a broader sentiment of uncertainty and volatility in the market, amplified with the aid of the SEC's renewed prison challenges. As XRP charges dipped, mirroring the wider marketplace trend, the timing of these shifts raises questions on the strategies and intentions of those influential players.